Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 8th question in exercise 9.1. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pedestal. So let's represent the given situation in a diagram. They told you that there is a statue standing on top of a pedestal. So first let's mark the pedestal here. I'm going to place a small line just to discriminate that there is a statue above. So this is going to be the statue. Its height is given as 1.6 meters. Now from a point on the ground. So let's mark the ground here. So from here, I'm going to mark that it is given that the angle of elevation of the top of this statue is 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. Now, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, which means it is this particular point, this is marked as 45 degrees. Now, you're asked to find out the height of the pedestal. Let's mark the vertices. So this is A, B, C, and this is D. Now I'm going to mark, this is 1.6. I'm going to mark the height of the pedestal, which is BC, as H, and CD as going to be X. Now let's try to calculate the values. So in triangle ACT, tan 60 degrees is going to be equal to AC divided by CD. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AC is 1.6 plus H divided by CD is X. So let's mark this out. Now let's move to the next triangle. In triangle BCD, tan 45 degrees is going to be equal to BC divided by CD. So that is 1 is equal to H by X, or H is equal to X. We are going to substitute this relation here. So let's see, this root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus H divided by H. So let's cross multiply. So 1.6 plus H is equal to H root 3. I'm going to collect all the H in one side. So H root 3 minus H is equal to 1.6. So H I'm going to take as common factor. So H into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So this is H is equal to, now root 3 minus 1 is going to be equal to 1.73 minus 1, which is 0.73. So this is 1.6 divided by 0.73. So this value is calculated to be 2.184 meters. So I've stopped with 3 decimals. You can cut it down even smaller. So you can approximately say H is equal to 2.2 meters. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 9th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.